Now, if you don't recognize me, here's a little catch up. I used to be a full-time YouTuber called Frexile who used to upload Call of Duty content. I amassed over 45,000 subscribers and got millions of views, and trust me, the biggest regret in my life is stopping that YouTube channel. In fact, this YouTube channel. It's this YouTube channel that I used to have all the content on. Now, you may be wondering, where did it all go wrong? Fortunately, I was at that perfect age where I had to grow up in life. Had to get a job that actually had more income that I was making from Call of Duty videos. Those was coming and going in my life, and I guess I got a bit distracted. Also, playing Call of Duty in your bedroom for 16 hours a day wasn't really the life I wanted to live. Don't get me wrong, I used to love uploading Call of Duty content, and I've probably made about 15 or 16 I'm back videos, which some of you guys may be familiar with. Now, the truth is, I just didn't really enjoy playing Call of Duty and uploading it every day on a Call of Duty that I didn't like. For example, if I was back now 5-6 years ago and this Warzone was out now, don't get me wrong, I'd still be crushing it on YouTube. Now, I've not been the most active YouTuber, like, obviously. That's right, because now I'm officially back. I did not want to do a video like I'm back, blah, 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 and just disappear for another few months. I just wanted to come on and tell you guys what my intentions are for the future of this channel. I'm going to rebrand it. Something new and refreshing is going to come. I'm not gonna lie, I had the choice of creating a brand new channel or continuing on the old Frexile channel. Plants in the way, man. Now, of course, over the last 5 years, I've grown as a person. I've developed new interests. I've enjoyed doing different things other than sitting in your bedroom all day, every day, playing Call of Duty. The channel that I'm building is all gonna be about e-commerce, drop shipping, how to make money online. And the reason why I thought I'd stick on this channel here instead of create a brand new one without any audience at all was because when I was 16, 17, I would have loved to make money online while I was playing Call of Duty. Like, that's just a kid's dream, a teenager's dream, you know? I know most of you guys are the same age as me. I'm 23 now. A lot has changed in my life. I've changed as a person, and then the 15, 16-year-olds that was watching me are now my age. You probably have a full-time job and you're looking to make money online, especially during this coronavirus pandemic. You've realized that your 9-to-5 job that you thought you were secure in is no longer secure because you're at home on furlough. Or some of you aren't even at home on furlough. So you've now realized that drop shipping or building a brand online, like a clothing brand or a drop shipping store, is the way forward. Now, I've had a few successful Shopify stores amassing over £100,000, and it's crazy to even think about that I could hit anywhere near those numbers. I've built a successful brand that can just continue selling items without even the need of Facebook adverts, which again is just absolutely crazy that I never even thought I could do something like this. That's the reason why I want to bring all of that onto this channel, is because I feel like Call of Duty people who, I know it sounds weird, but people who watch Call of Duty content are the ones that want to stay at home and do nothing and earn money. So I thought it was a perfect match. And some of you have jobs, don't get me wrong, but my goal over the next few months is to build a community that watches my videos and wants to learn exactly what I've done. And I think I can do it on this channel. Of course, you're gonna have the other half of people who wanna continue watching the Call of Duty YouTubers, and if you feel the need to unsubscribe from this channel because of that, I can't really say anything to entice you to stay. In the next few weeks, I will have more content coming, I promise. I'm slowly gonna be rebranding the channel into e-commerce, drop shipping, building a brand, and overall, how to make more money online so you can slowly transition from that 9-to-5 job into playing Call of Duty all day, drop shipping, making money. If you guys wanna follow me on this journey, feel free. I understand that this isn't your liking, this isn't what you subscribe to the channel for, but as a content creator, I strongly feel that any content creator can change paths if they want to. That is truly the reason why I've been missing from YouTube so long, is because I didn't really have a path. I've been doing videography and marketing for a long while, and it's so many people's interest to learn e-commerce, dropshipping, videography, how I edit my videos, things like that. I'm just gonna bring to here. It's gonna be entertaining videos as well. It's not gonna be boring documentary style videos. I'm gonna try and make them as entertaining as Anyway, I've rambled on long enough. Stick with me on this journey. There will be content to come, I promise. And your boy Frexile is returning, but not on Call of Duty, all right? Not on Call of Duty.